Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send query form submission notifications to your users through WhatsApp and Gmail automatically. Now, why would you need this automation? Suppose you are running a survey for particular topic through query forms, okay, and people are filling in those surveys with their contact details and email information. Now you want to notify them that their survey which they have been filling has been submitted into your account. So you are going to use the WhatsApp number from them and the email which they have given you and send the emails and WhatsApp notifications through your numbers and Gmail account respectively. Now, what are we going to do? First, we are going to create a query form submission. We will do that. After that, through that form submission, the details which we will be having of email and of WhatsApp number, an automatic email from our Gmail and an automatic message from our WhatsApp number will be sent to the user. Now, how would you do this automation? You are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect will help us connect our query, Gmail and WhatsApp together. Now you will want to learn how to do this automation. Now to do that, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are here on our screen. So what we are going to do, we have to type in Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this page. Now here you have two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. Now signing up is absolutely free, and if you are not a member of this beautiful family, just go and sign up now. We are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows which we are teaching you here. Okay, now I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in, and from here I will choose Pabbly Connect Access now. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new workflow so that we can have the automation we want. Now to do that, we have to go here on create workflow, and here I'm giving it the name query forms to WhatsApp and Gmail. Okay, so query forms to WhatsApp and Gmail, this is the name of my workflow, and you can name your workflow whatever you want to. Now here we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. So trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action is the window where the final event is happening and at the end of the process. So in simple terms, trigger means when this is happening, action means do this. So what is happening here? Query form submission is happening. So we will go for query. And when query form submission will happen, the action part will be send message to WhatsApp and send mail to Gmail. Okay. Now trigger part is new entry, obviously, because you are going to make a new entry in your query form. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my query to my Pabbly Connect account so that whenever a form submission is received in query, what will happen? Pabbly Connect will automatically take the response from query forms. Okay. So I'll go for add new connection. First, let me delete this one and let me show you how it's done. Okay. So add new connection and connect with query. And as soon as you will do that, here a window will open where you have to authorize Pabbly for query. And I want to tell you, you don't have to worry about your data. Your data is absolutely safe with Pabbly. Okay. So I'm just going to accept it. Authorization is successful and it is connected. Okay. Now it is asking me for the survey, that which survey I want to take or I want to put in here. So what I'm going to do, let me show you my query builder. This is my query. These are my projects. Okay. These are all my projects. And what I'm going to do, I am going to take this distance learning survey here. Okay. I have already made this. If you want to create a new project, you can go here and click on this option and you can create a new project. I have already created a form here. So I will just open this one. And as you can see, This is my form where I have used full name, email, mobile number. Are you learning remotely? What do you use for distance learning? How much time do you spend each day on distance education? And how often do you have a one-on-one discussion with teachers? Okay. So I'll just go for preview. And as you can see, this is my form. Now, let me go here. Here it is written survey contact form. But what I am using is, I am using distance learning survey. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay. So as soon as I will do that, you will see that it is waiting for the response. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make an entry in our query form. So here I will type in Arpit Sharma, that's my full name. Email, I'll just go for ashirai824@gmail.com. Okay. So here we need the mobile number of the person to which he has his WhatsApp installed to. If he does not have his WhatsApp connected to the mobile number that he is putting in here, then the messages will not be sent to the WhatsApp application. So it is as simple as that, the number should be on WhatsApp. Only then you are able to send the message on WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to use my company's number. And it is 82693 66913. Okay. I'll just press enter. Are you learning remotely? Yes, I'm learning remotely. I'm using a laptop. How much average time? I am going to give it 3 to 5 hours. How often do you have one-on-one discussion? Once in a while. And as soon as I will submit it, the response will be sent to Pabbly Connect, and you can see it is waiting for response. And it is taking some time, so we have to just wait. It can take some time, 2 to 5 minutes usually. And as you can see, we have received this response. And let me tell you, I have paused this video in between because the response which is received from Qwary takes some time. And I got this response after about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So you do not have to worry about this, and you do not have to panic about this, because the response coming from Qwary will take some time. So, give it some time and you will have your response here. So don't worry about it. Okay. So now this is our response here. This is the mobile number. This is the email, full name, etc., etc. So all the information is, available here in this window. Now what we want to do, we want to send a Gmail to the person or to the user for the notification that his survey form has been submitted. So what we are going to do, we are going to add Gmail here. And then we'll go for send email. Okay. Now we will connect this. And as you can see, here I have this one connected. I'll just delete it. Yes, delete it. Okay. And now I'll go for add new connection, connect with Gmail. And now I will connect ashirai824@gmail.com. Now how funny this is that I am sending Gmail to my own account. But you have to connect your Gmail here. Okay. And you have to send it to the, other person's account. So other person's email will be available to you by that form. I'm just putting in my email and I'm sending it to my email from my email only. So I'll just go and continue it. Your data is absolutely safe with Pabbly, and the connection is successful. Now recipient email address, and as I said, I'm using my own email. So I will go here, ashirai824@gmail.com. I do not have to put these fields here. Okay. Sender name, I am the sender, Arpit Sharma. Or let me change the name because the form also has the same name. So I'll go for Johnny Depp. So I'll go for Johnny Depp. He has always been my favorite character and actor. So Johnny Depp, now email. So what is your subject? You have to put here. So the subject is thank you for surveying. Okay. Thank you for surveying, or thank you for survey, I should say. Thank you for the survey. That's much better. Thank you for the survey. Now, this is my email subject, and reply to, there is nothing, email content, nothing, email content. Okay, so here we required the content. So what we are going to do is, hello. And I forgot to tell you one thing. Let me tell it to you very quickly. I am using a technique here which is called mapping. So mapping will let me take data from this window and will let me put the data here in these fields. Like I mapped in here ashira824@gmail.com. I am going to map here the content. Now hello, comma, enter. Now I am going to map full name Arpit Sharma. Hello Arpit Sharma. Thank you for showing your interest in our survey. And now I am going to map here the name of the survey, which is where is the title? Okay, so here is the title, distance learning survey. So I'll just put in here, thank you for showing your interest in our survey, distance learning survey. We will keep sending you new notifications regarding new courses. Okay. Now here I will write thank you. No, I'm not going to write thank you because I have already used thank you here. So I'll just use regards and learn and earn academy. Okay. So this is my message. Thank you for showing your interest in our survey. We will keep sending you new notifications regarding new courses, learn and earn survey. Let me copy this and keep it here. So you can see this. I have successfully created my mail which I want to send, and I have successfully, mapped in the data. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see that the response has been received here. And now what will happen when I will go here, you can see I do not have any message right here right now, but as soon as I will refresh it, you can see I have this message from my side only, and it is written, hello Arpit Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in our survey, distance learning survey. We will keep sending you new notifications regarding new courses. Regards, Learn and Earn Academy. Okay. So this is how you can send your Gmail. Now what we are going to do, I am going to teach you how you can send notifications to WhatsApp also. So we are going here and we have to select WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. Now, 360 Dialog is a platform where messages to WhatsApp will be sent through 360 Dialog. And why? Because 360 Dialog will let us, send messages to WhatsApp automatically, because 360 Dialog has the access to the APIs which we require to send unlimited messages, or I should say automation messages to WhatsApp. And those APIs are, coming from 360 Dialog. And apart from that, I want to tell you one more thing, that those APIs or the, subscription to 360 Dialog is not at all free. You have to pay for that. And if you want to pay, less, you can use our link, so that if you will, pay using our link, you will have to pay less than the original offer. So WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. So now what we are going to do, we are going to go and select send template message here. Okay. Now what is send template message? Let me first explain you, then we will connect this. So this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of 360 dialog box. Okay. Now what we are going to do, first we are going to go here, and now here you can see I have this account right here. I'll just click on it, and you can see I have the options details, templates, and profiles. Okay, so I'll just go on templates, and now these are the templates through which we are sending a message on WhatsApp right here. Now what are these templates? So these are the templates which have been first approved from Facebook, and these templates will let us send messages to WhatsApp. Now, if you want to send a message to WhatsApp, first you have to create your own template, and after creating that template, you have to get it approved from Facebook. Now, it can take 5 minutes, it can take 15 minutes, it can take 2 hours, or it can even take 2 days for Facebook to approve your template. So you have to keep patience. You have to wait for your template to get approved, and only then you can send the message by WhatsApp using send template message. Now let me show you my template here. So no, I will show you my template later. First, I will show you how you can create it. So you can go here and go for add template. Now here you have to put your template name. You have to put your template type. If you want to use images and documents, you can use here. You can select image documents from here, and then you can create a new template here in the body type. Okay. You can select your language from this panel. So this is how you can add a new template. Now I am going to show you my template which I have created here for my survey. So you can see I have created here a new template, survey response. Let me show you this template. So this template is hello. Thank you for filling up the form. Thanks. Now what you can do is you can in body 1 put your first name, and like I already told you, I am using a technique which is called mapping. In body 2, I am going to put the name of my form or the title of my form, and in body 3 I will put the the name of my education center, Learn and Earn Academy. Now what I am going to do, this is my this is my template, and you can see here it is also written the provided example values will be submitted to Facebook as part of the template submission process. If no relevant examples are provided, template may be rejected by Facebook. Okay, so you can create a template like this. Now I'm going to go back to the list. This is my template survey response. I'll go here and I'll connect it. So now how you are going to connect it? You will go to add new connection. Here you have to put the domain name. So domain name is simply this text. You can copy it right here and paste it directly here. Now from where you will get this API key? So you will go to 360 Client Hub. You will go to WhatsApp account. And here you can see when you will click on generate API key, you will get a new API key. You have to copy that API key, and then you have to put that API key here. I'm not going to do that again because I have already done that. So I'll just go for select existing connection, and I will just go for save. And as soon as I will click on save, you can see that the dashboard is here in front of me. Now it is asking me for the template which I got approved. So I have several templates, but I especially got this template approved for my survey response. So I'll click on this. Okay, so namespace is taken automatically. We do not have to do anything here. English, language code is English. I have written EN for that. Now recipient mobile number. So as I told you, we need the mobile number which has WhatsApp on it. So this is the mobile number. Body field 1. I am again going to use the technique mapping. Body field 1 is Arpit Sharma. Survey name is title, which is distance learning survey, and here the organization name. So organization name Okay, I'm sorry. I did not use the organization name in forms. So I'm just going to put it manually. Learn and Earn Academy. Okay. Here you can see I have used the name Learn and Earn Academy. I can just copy it here. And paste it here. Okay. So Learn and Earn Academy is the name. Now I will go and send test request. Sorry, save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see Meta API status is stable, which means the message has been sent because we have this message ID here. Now I am going to my WhatsApp account. This is my WhatsApp account, and you can see here I have the message. Hello, Arpit Sharma. Thank you for filling up the distance learning survey form. Thanks, Learn and Earn Academy. Okay. So this is how you can, go and integrate your Qwary account with your Gmail and with your WhatsApp, so that whenever a new submission happens in Qwary, you can send an automatic mail and an automatic message to the Gmail and to the email of that person, email account of that person, and to the WhatsApp account of that person. And this automation can be very useful for you. Apart from that, if you want to use this automation, if you want to use this workflow, you can go into my description box and clone it into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. It is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. If you want any other event to be added in our module, you can just mail at admin@pabbly.com. Apart from that, if you have any queries, you can just go on to this forum and ask about your queries. And if you want to check the pricing of the software, you can go on here and check the pricing of the software. I hope you understood everything and you loved every bit of our video. So keep loving, keep subscribing. Thank you.